Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm thrilled to share with you an unforgettable adventure we had on a mesmerizing island. So let's start. After a few hours of flying, we arrived on an island we had only dreamed of as children. Not just any island, but one of the Canary Islands, Tenerife. From the moment we landed, we knew this would be a trip like no other. Everything was fine at the checkpoint, and we were already on our way out, holding coupons and various flyers. I should mention that we needed a car on the island, and after a long search, we decided to go with Horizon, a car rental service that offered not only reasonable prices but also convenience, as no credit card was required. And off we went to our accommodation, which of course we found on Airbnb. Our host was a lovely Spanish lady, and to the kids' delight, the apartment complex even had a pool. So exploring the island is an adventure because there isn't a single part that isn't worth seeing. And of course, discovering hidden gems, vibrant culture, excitement, and wonder. Especially headed to Costa Adea, where we found one of those shops where you can buy or dive like for girls. And our next destination was none other than SIAM MALL. És most teszünk egy látogatást a SIAM Mallban. Nagyon fontos pont, ugyanis nincsen ruhánk. Nem hoztunk ruhát magunkkal. Hát itt fogunk megvásárolni mindent, hogy lecsökkentsük a bőröngyeink súlyát, ugye? És így néz ki. if you get hungry, it's worth taking a look around because there are so many different dining options. So, food is also important to mention before moving on, let's say to Las Americas, which is famous for its nightlife. But don't forget about the beach either. And if that wasn't enough, maybe catching the sunset during a hike up the nearby mountain would fit in. There is so much stimulation, new experiences, and we try to fit everything into one day, but our energy is finite. So we've wrapped up our arrival moment with a relaxing dip in the pool. So if you enjoyed the short video, just stay with us. So see you guys next time.